While the previous generation of the Toyota Yaris sold in North America was essentially a rebadged Mazda 2, it's the other way around with the new Super Minis commercialized in Europe, confirming rumors from about a year ago and giving credence to a recent spy shots. The fourth generation Mazda 2 has landed on the old continent as a Yaris with Mazda logos. The newcomer doesn't spell the end for the previous gen model, as it will soldier on. The tie-up between the two Japanese automakers allows Mazda to launch its first full hybrid in Europe, joining several mild hybrid vehicles and arriving before a new family of PHEVs scheduled to launch from 2023. The new Mazda 2 hybrid goes on sale throughout Europe from spring 2022 and brings self-charging full hybrid powertrain technology to the Mazda model range for the first time. The Mazda 2 hybrid is a self-charging full hybrid that combines a 1490cc 93 horsepower 3-cylinder petrol engine with a 59 kilowatt electric motor for a total system power of 116 horsepower. Mazda's new hybrid will accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.7 seconds and returns a WLTP combined cycle fuel economy of between 70.6 to 74.3 mpg and CO2 emissions of just 93 to 87 grams per kilometer, depending on the specification of 16-inch or 15-inch wheels. At startup, the Mazda 2 hybrid automatically runs in EV mode, offering smooth, seamless and quiet running on electric motor power in urban environments with zero CO2, NOx and particulate emissions. During normal driving, power allocation is adjusted between the petrol engine and electric motor for optimum performance and the best possible fuel efficiency. During deceleration and underbraking, kinetic energy is recovered as electrical energy for storage in the high-performance battery. Battery power level is constantly managed via an engine-driven generator to remove any need to recharge the system from an external source. Although it is compact B-segment vehicle, the new Mazda 2 hybrid's long 2560 mm wheelbase offers comfortable accommodation for up to 4 adults as well as 286 liters of boot capacity. It is available throughout Europe in a choice of 3 grades: Mazda 2 Hybrid Pure, Mazda 2 Hybrid Agile and Mazda 2 Hybrid Select, and has a maximum 5-star Euro NCAP crashworthiness rating.